Hello, this is my 26th lecture on complex analysis for 5th SEM DSC students. I am Ms. Ranjana Datta from the Department of Mathematics, the Graduate School College for Women. Today we will discuss some more examples on bilinear transformation. Here we will discuss a problem. Find the bilinear transformation which transforms the half plane of real z greater than or equal to 0 with the unit circle into the unit circle w is less than equal to 1. Here, the real axis means the in z plane it is x-axis, but in the w plane it is x-axis, and x-axis means u plane. U and in z plane y-axis means imaginary plane in w plane. Okay, so here W is equal to AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D, which can be written as A by C plus into Z plus B by A divided by Z plus D by C. Transforming here, real Z greater than or equal to 0. We have to transform real Z greater than or equal to 0. That is Z axis real part means X axis greater than X axis, transform into the circle z is less than or equal to 1. W is less than or equal to 1. W is equal to 1 means unit circle. Less than or equal to 1 means the points inside the unit circle. That is, the real part of z axis transform into a W plane, interior point in the W plane under this transformation, that is bilinear transformation. Here, now see the point W and 1 by W bar is the inverse point with respect to a unit circle. We did the theory previously, that is inside the points. If W is inside the point, and 1 by W bar will be the inverse of this W. So W and 1 by W bar are the inverse point to the unit circle in W plane, transform into a point Z and minus Z bar inverse with respect to the Z plane. Particularly the point when W is equal to 0. We will discuss about 0, greater than 0, etc. So when W is equal to 0, the corresponding to the point alpha and minus alpha bar. Then the form minus B by A is taken as alpha and minus D by C is taken as alpha bar. Then W is can be written as A by C into Z minus alpha divided by Z plus alpha bar. Then for unit circle, we take W is equal to 1. Taking mod on both sides, we can take and putting Z is equal to 0. W equal to 1 means unit circle is transformed into Z is equal to 0. Z is equal to 0. Here, after putting this, we get A by C is equal to e to the power I lambda, where lambda is real. So W is equal to Z minus alpha divided by Z plus alpha bar into e to the power I lambda. Thus, it is transformed into the real Z this is a real number. A by c equal to e to the power I lambda is a real number, is transformed into w is equal to 1. Further, when under the transformation w is equal to 0, that is less than the points inside the circle, w equal to 0 correspond to the real z is greater than is equal to greater than 0. When w minus w bar we know, and after then putting the values of after calculating we get 2 of real z, negative of 2 of real z into 2 of real alpha divided by z plus z bar the whole square, and real where real alpha is greater than real z is greater than 0. When real z is greater than 0, then w square minus 1 becomes negative. So real z is greater than 0, that means w is less than 1. So inside the point w, inside the point in the circle corresponds to real z greater than 0. Real z means the real axis, that is the x axis, the values real z greater than 0 means the values upper portion of the real z is transformed into the units inside point of the unit circle in the unit circle. Hence, W is equal to Z minus alpha divided by Z plus alpha bar e to the power I lambda is the required transformation. Now, take another example. Find the bilinear transformation which transforms a mod of z less than rho into the circle w is less than rho dash. Up to this, we compare the w greater than 0, 1, etc. Here, the values are rho and rho dash. Rho dash may be greater than, rho dash is greater than 0 or 1. Okay, the transformation can be written as W is equal to A by C, uh, as you can see in the circle. This transform a circle Z is equal to rho into the circle W is equal to rho dash. This transform from circle to circle. Here in the Z plane, it is the mod Z is equal to rho into a circle, mod of W is equal to rho dash. Here the points, inverse points, in the inverse points are W and rho dash square by W bar, inverse points with respect to the circle W, mod of W is equal to rho dash, transforms the point Z, comma, rho square by Z bar, inverse points with respect to the point, mod of Z is equal to rho. So here when w equal to 0, the corresponding points are alpha and rho square by alpha, huh? Alpha and rho square by alpha bar respectively. Hence, minus b by a is equal to alpha and minus d by c is equal to rho square by alpha. Then putting these values we get as you can see on your screen. When W is mod of W is rho dash, and to prove that Z equal to rho corresponds to the point mod of W is equal to rho dash. Hence, taking the example formula for using the formula, and then we can say that rho dash is equal to uh, a alpha by c, as you can see on your screen, and hence we can say that rho into rho dash is equal to keyboard alpha into alpha bar divided by c. Hence, rho modulus of bol bol rho minus alpha is equal to modulus of rho minus alpha. Hence, alpha divided by c minus rho into rho dash into c square, where lambda e to the power I lambda, sorry, e to the power I lambda, where I lambda is real. Hence, by the theorem, w is equal to whatever you can see on your screen. So student, today this much only.